Will you really practitioner? This one has señorita.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be bringing you one of my favorite drinks. It's called Hibiscus juice or sorrel juice. It's a juice popular among Africans and the Caribbeans. It's going to be a very quick video since it doesn't have a lot of ingredients. So let me introduce you to today's ingredients. We have the hibiscus petals, some call it sorrel leaves. We have pineapple chunks. We have cloves, cinnamon sticks, sugar, and pineapple juice. Now let's get to the preparation. So the first thing we're going to do is to add some water to the pot. Add our sorrel leaves. Add the pineapple chunks. Add the cloves, cinnamon sticks. Mix everything together. You cover the pot and let it cook for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, our sorrel juice is ready to be strained. I have my bowl and the strainer. Gently squeeze out all the juice from the petal waste. If you don't want to get burnt, you can also do this when the juice is totally cold. Next thing I'm going to do is add my sugar and pineapple juice. Stir it up. And now you can cool it down in your fridge. Our sorrel juice is cold and ready to serve. To serve this first, get some ice. And the juice. I would like to know in the comment section, how would you like your sorrel juice? With some alcohol or without alcohol? Follow my Facebook, YouTube and Instagram page. Click like, share and comment. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when we post another video. Thank you for following my channel.